Happy Tuesday and the first day back to school, everybody. Getting the kitchen cleaned up. Buster has worked hard. He cooked tonight. He was fabulous, as always. But it's time to do dishes. As you can see, the dishwasher's full. We have our own non-toxic dish detergent, but it's time for a dishwasher rinse aid. Now, I do have white distilled vinegar in the top rack of the dishwasher. And I don't want a container sitting under the sink for each task. You know, these oils are versatile. That's why I love them. So why don't we do this? This is my Thieves bottle that I clean just about everything with. The way I dilute my Thieves, there's about 40 capfuls, which, as I understand, is the equivalent of 40 teaspoonfuls approximately in this refill bottle. I dilute it 1 capful with 2 cups of distilled water so that we do not introduce bacteria into our natural non-toxic cleaning products that I love. Hey buddy, it might be non-toxic, but we don't eat it. Thank you. Okay, back to business. I dilute it with 2 cups. This is a half a cup, sorry. Holly's wanting to go play. Obviously, I need to diffuse some lemongrass and lavender. Calm him down just a little bit. Rather than having a rinse aid container and all of this stuff taking up valuable real estate in my cabinet, because I hate clutter. Oh, I hate clutter. I hate mess. As bad as I hate chemicals. Yeah, we can't avoid them all. I know that. Just doing my part to avoid the ones that I can. That's always a win for me and my family. Excuse me. It's always a win for us and our family. We're all in this together. I feel like I need to kind of shake this up a bit, but it's okay. I've already put in my detergent. And by the way, the recipe for that is on Bless My Oily Mess. But you saw how I diluted my Thieves household cleaner. Just going to put it into the rinse compartment of the dishwasher. I am not about to add food coloring, anything like that. It's just unnecessary. I poured this everywhere. I didn't mean to. That's it. Absolutely it. Clean, non-toxic dishes. Thanks to Young Living. Right, Buster? You ready to go now that the dishes are taken care of? Thanks, guys. Visit us on Pinterest at Bless My Oily Mess. And Happy New Year. Also, don't let me forget, stop by Buster's new link and mine, www.myyl.com/Kimberly Mosier #enroll. Say goodnight, B Chase. Say goodnight. Thanks again.